This is not science fiction. It's not the future. This is happening right now. Amazon just announced plans to cut thousands of corporate jobs, citing AI efficiency replacing roles in customer support and software development. Microsoft cut around 6,000 positions recently, its largest layoff since 2023, as it shifts to AI-driven automation and refocuses hiring on AI expertise. And across the tech industry, more than 61,000 roles have already been eliminated in over 130 firms this year, with AI frequently cited as a driving force. And in almost every press release, you'll see the same phrase: increased AI efficiency. This isn't tomorrow's problem or even next year's. It's happening right now, and it's just the beginning. Let's be clear, AI isn't coming. It's already here. And the hard truth? It's replacing jobs right now, even for smart, hardworking, loyal employees. But here's the part you don't often hear in the headlines. AI may be replacing some people, but it's also creating massive new opportunities for those who learn to use it. In this video, I'll show you why your job might be at risk even if you're good at it, the types of jobs that are safe and even more valuable in the age of AI, what AI is already doing better than humans, and how you can use AI to protect, grow, and even upgrade your career, starting now. If you've ever felt uncertain, anxious, or just unsure about where the world is going, stay with me. This might be the most important video you watch all year. This is your roadmap to survival and success in an AI-powered world. Let's be honest, AI is replacing jobs, and not just in tech. Customer support, graphic design, basic accounting, data entry, even parts of legal and marketing. In a recent report, CEOs of JP Morgan, IBM, and Amazon all said the same thing. AI will replace roles, not in 10 years, but in the next 2-3. But here's what they didn't say loudly enough. AI won't replace people. People who use AI will replace those who don't. So what jobs are safe? You're probably hearing this everywhere. AI is taking over. Robots are coming for your job. But here's what most people forget to say. Not all jobs are at risk. In fact, some jobs are becoming more valuable because of AI. Number 1, jobs that require human emotion. Think about teachers, therapists, coaches, caregivers, people who connect through empathy, encouragement, and trust. AI can give information, sure, but it can't inspire a child, comfort someone, or read the emotions in a room. These jobs involve feeling, intuition, trust, things AI simply can't replicate. For example, a mental health coach using ChatGPT to help outline a client plan. AI helps, but human connection heals. Number 2, jobs that involve decision-making and strategy. Project managers, product designers, entrepreneurs, consultants. These roles don't just follow instructions, they think ahead, solve problems, and make judgment calls based on context. AI is powerful, but it doesn't have real-world experience, gut instinct, or common sense. If you can see the bigger picture, think creatively, or lead others, AI becomes your assistant, not your replacement. For example, a small business owner using AI to analyze customer trends, but still deciding what to launch next based on intuition and market feel. Number 3, creative jobs that tell stories. Writers, designers, marketers, video editors, musicians, the artists. Yes, AI can generate art and write blogs, but real creativity, it comes from life experience, culture, personality, and emotion. What makes your work powerful isn't just the tool, it's you. For example, a filmmaker using AI to draft script ideas, but bringing it to life through their unique direction and storytelling. The bottom line, the safest jobs are the most human ones, the people who solve meaningful problems, connect emotionally, lead with clarity, and use AI to enhance their work, not escape it. They're not just safe, they're thriving. Because the truth is, AI doesn't replace people. People who use AI replace those who don't. But here's the kicker. AI is a tool, and when you learn to use it, you don't just keep your job, you become 10 times more valuable. Let's say you're not a techie, you don't know coding, and you've never touched AI before. Still, you can use AI today to get ahead. You just need to know where to plug it into your life. Let me show you 3 simple ways AI can protect, boost, or even reinvent your career, starting now. Tool number 1, ChatGPT, your personal assistant. Think of ChatGPT as your thinking partner, your editor, and your speed booster, all rolled into one. Here's what it can do. Write emails. ChatGPT, draft a professional reply for this client. Summarize reports. Summarize this 20-page PDF in 5 bullet points. Prepare presentations. Turn these 3 ideas into a slide outline. Answer interview questions. Give me 3 answers for where do you see yourself in 5 years. It's not replacing your brain, it's amplifying it. Use it like a smart intern. You guide it, it helps you move faster. Tool number 2, Canva plus Magic Studio. Look professional instantly. Don't waste hours formatting PowerPoints or figuring out Photoshop. Canva makes you look like a designer, even if you aren't one. Here's how people are using it. Create stunning Instagram posts for clients. Design professional resumes that stand out. Build beautiful presentations for work. Even make business proposals that look premium. And with Magic Studio, Canva's built-in AI removes backgrounds, enhances images, resizes your content for any platform in one click. Want to impress your boss, your clients, or your own followers? This is how you do it, without hiring a designer or spending hours. Tool number 3, automation tools. Work less, achieve more. Here's a secret of highly productive people. They don't do everything themselves. They automate the boring stuff. With tools like Zapier or Make.com, Notion AI, Google Sheets plus AI plugins, you can. Auto-send welcome emails when someone fills your form. Auto-schedule posts for social media. Auto-organize leads or inquiries from Gmail to a Google Sheet. Save 5-10 hours a week with just 2-3 small automations. Don't know how? There are templates and tutorials everywhere, and many are just drag and drop. You don't need to become an engineer. You just need to learn how to connect smart tools together. A quick recap. ChatGPT helps you think faster and write smarter. Canva makes your ideas look professional and polished. Zapier automation lets you save time and focus on what really matters. And here's the magic. You can learn and use all these tools for free starting today on your laptop or even your phone. Let me show you something powerful. Not some tech billionaire story, but stories of real people just like you using AI right now to transform their lives. This is a story of a full-time mom in India with 2 toddlers and a degree in literature, but no full-time job. She always dreamed of doing something online, but she thought she needed a course coding or hours of free time. Then she discovered ChatGPT and Canva. She started helping small brands write Instagram captions, blog posts, and ebooks, all using AI to speed up the process. Within 3 months, she was earning 50,000 rupees a month right from her home. No agency, no office, just one laptop and the courage to begin. Fernando from Argentina wasn't a programmer. He was a product designer, stuck between freelance gigs, worried about his visa expiring. He noticed that Instagram creators were spending hours designing content and getting stuck, so he built a tool called aicarousels.com. It helps users turn ideas into polished Instagram slides in minutes. He launched it quietly, no ads, just a simple landing page and word of mouth. Today, it brings in over $5,000 a month, and it all started with one idea, an AI. In rural Karnataka, a group of women, many of whom had never even used a computer, are now helping train AI systems in Kannada, Telugu, and other Indian languages. How? Through a platform called Karya. They record voice samples, correct translations, and help AI models learn how real people speak. These women used to work as farm labor. Now, they make 5 times more per day from their phones. Different backgrounds, different countries, different stories, but one thing in common, they all started where they were, with what they had. And they didn't let fear, doubt, or I'm not technical stop them. The future isn't waiting for permission, it's waiting for action. Here's the truth that no one tells you. You don't need to have it all figured out. In fact, the smartest way to win in the AI era isn't to build something big. It's to solve one small problem for one real person and grow from there. Let me give you a simple example. Meet Nancy. She's a freelance English tutor. Her students were constantly asking for practice worksheets, personalized to their level. So instead of spending hours creating them manually, she started using ChatGPT to generate customized exercises and grammar quizzes instantly. She added it as a bonus to her tutoring packages. Now, she's saving 5 and 6 hours a week. Her students love it, and she's even packaged the worksheets as a digital product, earning passive income on the side. You don't need a massive idea, you just need a real problem that people actually care about. A small way to solve it using tools like ChatGPT, Canva, or Notion. A first client, or even one test run. Maybe you're a teacher, a freelancer, a student, a parent. Whoever you are, you already have knowledge, experiences, and people who trust you. You can start a side income, not by learning something new, but by using AI to do what you already know, faster and better. Here's a simple checklist to start smart. Ask, what do people already come to me for? Search, how can AI make this faster or easier? Test, offer it to 1-2 people and ask for feedback. Refine, use that feedback to improve your process. Repeat, and turn it into income. Big results always start with one brave step. Don't wait to be perfect. Don't wait to be ready. Just start small. Just start smart. Just start. I request you all to have faith in yourselves. And believe me, AI is not just a threat. It's a tool. And in the right hands, it's a superpower. It's already changing lives. Not someday, but right now. From freelancers doubling their income, to parents building side hustles during nap time, to students landing opportunities with nothing but a laptop and a clear idea. The question is not, will AI take your job? It's, will you take control of your future? Because you have 2 options. Watch the world change and get left behind, or change with it and create the kind of life you've always imagined. Ready to take your first step? Drop a comment below with the skill or idea you want to build around. And if you're serious about building something real, subscribe, because this channel is here to help you grow every single week. Because the next success story might just be you. If this video inspired you, you'll love this next one. Watch this next video. It's packed with real examples and tools anyone can use.